The SABRE door and window alarm kit offers reliable personal protection with a loud 120 decibels. Alarm that can be heard within 1,580 feet. It features for user-friendly settings including arm, disarm, panic, and chime, providing versatile protection options. The keypad requires a PIN code for setting the alarm modes, preventing unauthorized use and accidental activation. This battery-powered kit, compatible with home security systems, includes free security information to help users better secure their home or office. SABRE, a trusted brand in personal safety, ensures attention-grabbing alarms to deter intruders while alerting occupants and neighbors. The kit is designed for both left and right hinge doors, with a low battery indicator for added convenience. Stay prepared and secure with SABRE's reliable protection solutions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.